What's going on, guys? Shevon here, back with a new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Fortnite mobile on your phone, because if you go into the App Store and you type in Fortnite Battle Royal, you're not going to find it and you can't download it. So in this video, I'm just going to show you how to download it. If you can't play it, it's fine. Just keep waiting on your code to redeem. Once you've redeemed that code, you just need to jump in here and then you'll be good to go. So right now I'm on the waiting list, but as I said before, you guys, I'm going to show you how to get this for free installed and ready to go. Without any further ado, let's get started. So first off, guys, you need to register your account. So you just need to go over to the Fortnite.com and register with Epic Games. So Fortnite is now on mobile. So you can see right here, invite to iOS. Just hit to sign up your email. If you're already playing, just hit yes. I already did all of this. I went to PlayStation because I play on PlayStation, and then you just need to enter your PlayStation account and everything. I already did that, so it's not going to come up right here. So after you've done that, you just want to type in Fortnite, Fortnite, Fortnite.com/iOS, just like this, guys. Fortnite.com/iOS, hit go, and then you would say invite to iOS. Just hit download on the App Store, open, and just like that, you could see. So if you just regularly go to the App Store, for example, let me just close the App Store right here. If you go into the App Store and you just type in Fortnite, it's not going to come up because it's an invite only. See, it won't pop up anywhere on the App Store. So you have to use my method. Go right here, hit download, open, and it will be just like that. So now it's starting to download. I'm going to register my face, just like that. Enter your password if you don't have an iPhone 10 or Touch ID, whatever you guys use. So it's 2 gigs. It's going to be a while. So as soon as it's finished installing, I'll get back to you guys. Okay, guys, so Fortnite just finished installing. It took me around 15 minutes, to be honest, because my internet was kind of fast. But here it is. I'm going to open it for the first time. Low-key excited. It's loading up real nice right there. I don't know what to expect, guys, because it's on mobile. So let's see. Alright, interesting. Tap to start. Have you redeemed an invitation to play? No. Yes. I haven't, but let me just try. Waiting in queue. What the hell? Alright, I'm in the queue. Let's see what happens. But I have the game loaded up and everything. It's running smoothly so far. Animations look nice. Let's just see. Let us see. Will it log me in now? Will it log me in? iPhone 10, iOS 11.2, Fortnite Battle Royale, taking full use of the iPhone 10 screen, which is amazing. But will it work though? It's just sitting right here. I honestly don't know what's going on. So now it says get on the waiting list. Get on the waiting list and we'll send an invite email when you can play. So apparently I still can't play the game. So I don't even know. But at least I showed you guys how to download it so you could get ready, which is good. It's a start. So if you didn't get invited, guys, just sign up for the email. I already did that, so I guess I'm just on the waiting list right now. So the title of the video, I guess, it's going to be how to download Fortnite mobile. No clickbait. So let's just see what happens from now on. If you guys enjoyed the video, drop a like down below, because I just showed you how to download it without going on the App Store. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Love, peace, and tweaks. Signing out.